Hi everybody, a little change of scenery today. So today we are shooting at the Armoury's Upper East Side store on 69th and Madison. And it's the first time we shot in here. We're actually sitting in the lounge. It's a lovely little space for doing custom orders and whatnot. But what I want to talk about today is actually not related to the Armoury New York, it's related to the Armoury Hong Kong. So the Armoury Hong Kong, we're going to be hosting this wonderful outfit called Masa's Pastime. Masa's Pastime is a bunch of guys that we discovered back in May last year in Japan. And they are an amazing bunch of watchmakers. Specifically, they actually do a lot of pocket watch restoration, but they also have the ability to make their own dials, cases, and hands. And we've invited Masa to come over to Hong Kong to do a trunk show, and he's going to be bringing all these pocket watches that he's converted into wristwatches. Now you might think, oh, well, it's a pocket watch, it must be really big. Actually, they're pretty small. Masa typically does it with ladies' pocket watches, and I have one right here. I've been wearing this for almost a year now, and I really, really like it. It's held up well. So this is an old Waltham pocket watch that has been converted into a wristwatch, and Masa made a sterling silver case for it. And it's in this lovely sort of cushion shape. Some people might recognize it as like the Schaefer case that Audemars Piguet uses sometimes. And he also made the dial, and he made the hands. In fact, I really love the dial layout as well in this case. And you know, because these are modern cases, they actually do have gaskets, so the watch is water resistant as well. Masa will have a whole bunch of these available for viewing and for sale at the trunk show. And, you know, they are also able to do commissions, like they are able to take bespoke commissions. So if you had an idea for like a time-only wristwatch that could use a pocket watch as the movement, come have a chat. Like we could potentially make something. In fact, on a personal note, I have something interesting going with them. So I've always wanted a minute repeater, and they're actually making me a minute repeater. I took an old Golay ladies pocket watch, and we are now converting it into a 37mm minute repeater. We'll shoot a separate video about that because the process of that has been really interesting, really fun to experience. And I would love to take a client through it because I think it would be a really fun project for us to do together. All right, so February 24th and 25th in Hong Kong, Masa's Pastime. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.